Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Mosaic patio table, and I took it out of the big box just because it had address labels and things all over it. But we're gonna show you guys what this is here and try to put it together real quickly, see how it is. So this is what it looks like here. Comes with, oh, I got styrofoam pieces all over. This. Okay, so this is going to be the legs right here, like that. And then let's see if I can do this without getting styrofoam everywhere in my house. So, and this is going to be the top, but let me just move this styrofoam thing out of the way, make sure I have everything out of it. I have a puppy who likes to eat everything, so I don't like styrofoam stuff. Let me stick this in here. Okay, so this is the top of it there. So we're gonna put this together and assemble it real quick, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It comes with what it needs. So this is it here. So this is the top, and so I'm just gonna flip it over so it's upside down. I'll flip this upside down on it here as well. Aim you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. So this, I'll just go on there. I guess every section gets a nut on it. Oops, that one came off. That did too. Wow, it's not lining up perfectly. Let me try to rotate it one and see if that makes a difference. No, it's just, I guess let me just screw on each section as I go, and then we'll see how we do. Okay, let's. Okay, there's the third one. And then this one here, you can see it's not exactly lined up, but let's see if we can just kind of pull it into shape. Boy, it doesn't really want to go, does it? There we go. Okay, so there, now we've got it all of them started. Not too hard. Oh, if I can do it. And it comes with its own little wrench here to tighten it up, which is nice. Okay, see, that side's done. I would normally use a socket wrench to do this, but I'm trying to use the tool that it came with. And doing this with the light shining on me isn't the easiest, but you get the idea. Okay, so there, I've got two on, which is probably enough for now. But then you can see this is what it looks like here. So it's got a nice table here. Let me aim it over that way so you can see what I'm talking about. So there is what it looks like here. So it's got a nice metal ends here, and it's heavy, so it's gonna stay up. So I can put this out on my balcony and don't have to worry about wind or anything like that because it's super strong. My balcony has artificial turf, but then it looks like these, the little legs, if you need to adjust it, to make it higher or lower, you can do that to make it level on the patio. So super cool table. I really like it. Look at how nice that is. And it put together really easy. You see we're like less than 5 minutes and it's already ready to go. So thumbs up.